Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert table of content in Google Docs. So firstly open Google Docs. Now click anywhere where you want to insert table of content like here. Then click on insert, scroll down and click on table of content. Here you can select any style. There is the three style: plain text, dotted and links. So select and try which is the better for you. And make sure it will appear here. Once you make it any header, to make it head, like this. So very simple and easy way. So very simple and easy way. So very simple and easy way. Open Google Docs, any document. Now select the area where you want to insert the table of content like here. Then insert and scroll down and here the option table of content. You can select any type of style like this. Once you click on it, so you can refresh. So to update, just click on this refresh. Once you click on these three dots, so there are some more options. You can show or hide page number. You can show or hide tab leader with dots, with line or with dash like this. There is another style as a link. So these are options guys to insert table of content. Once you click here heading labels, so you can make size and space as you need like this. So you can increase or decrease the size as heading. So thanks for watching.